In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Tasks to TickTick. We'll use Zapier to bridge the two apps so tasks you start in Google Tasks can flow into TickTick automatically. Have your Zapier, and TickTick logins ready and follow along on your own screen. First, head to Zapier and sign in. Once you're on the dashboard, we'll create a simple automation called a Zap that listens for something in Google Tasks and then does something in TickTick. This helps you keep your task lists in sync without any manual copying. On the Zapier homepage, click Create, then choose Zaps. This opens the editor where we'll define the two main parts of any automation, the trigger and the action. Think of the trigger as the when this happens and the action as the do this next. Click Trigger to set up the starting point. In the app search, type Google Tasks and select it. This tells Zapier which app to watch. Next, click Trigger Event. You'll see options that describe what should kick things off, such as new or updated tasks. Pick whatever best reflects how you want changes in Google Tasks to start your workflow. Click Account to connect the Google account that holds your tasks. This is where you make sure you're using the correct personal or work account and confirm permissions so Zapier can read your task data. If you manage multiple task lists, keep in mind which list you want this Zap to pay attention to. Now let's define what happens in TickTick. Click Action. In the app search, type TickTick and select it. We're telling Zapier that after the Google Tasks trigger fires, the next step should involve TickTick. Click Action Event, then click Choose an Event. Here you decide what TickTick should do in response, like creating or updating a task. Match this choice to the trigger you set earlier so the flow makes sense from start to finish. Finally, click Account to connect your TickTick account. This authorizes Zapier to create items in your workspace and ensures the right project or list will receive the incoming tasks. If you use multiple lists in TickTick, note which one you plan to target so your tasks land in the right place. That's it for setting up the core structure. You've identified the trigger app and event and the action app and event and connected both accounts. With this foundation, your Google Tasks can seamlessly move into TickTick, keeping your to-dos aligned across platforms and helping you stay organized without extra effort.